All right, guys, so it's Christmas time, and I got one of these to see if it's good or not, to see if I could give it out as Christmas presents. And so, yeah, this is right here. It's actually like, I think, official PlayStation licensed product, which, look at this. It looks fantastic right here. So if you have a someone or yourself that has a gaming setup, I think this is gonna add a great deal of aesthetic to your setup. I've seen a lot of this on like Instagram and TikTok and all of that stuff. Whoever that has their gaming setup going, I always see this. And so, yeah, I wanna try this out today and see if it'll look good over here. And then I'm probably gonna buy quite a few in order to pass it out to some of my gamer friends. So anyway, let's take a look at this real quick. Yash. So beautiful, huh? Look at all the colors. Wait, this looks pink. Look at this. That looks pink. That looks like a fuchsia. No, not fuchsia. What am I saying? Looks like a light orange. Huh. Yeah, everything is semi-plasticky. The back looks like this. But who would use the back, right? You would use the front. Well, that's it right there. That's what's in the box. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it looks. So there's a button on the side right here that you press to turn it on. Oh, look, you can literally see the LED on here. So there's no diffuser or anything like that. Pressing the button multiple times actually creates an animated effect. So that's off. So that's on all the time. Pressing it once. Okay, so this is like a breathing kind of thing. You know what? I want to turn off my lights to let you guys see it. Yeah, so this is like a breathing effect. You know, if you look at it like top down like this, you actually see the LED in the back right here, which is not very great. But if you look at from this angle where it's straight, it looks actually pretty good. So that's one of the mode right there. So that's like nice and slow, which actually will use that, by the way. This one right here is if you have a chaotic setup, I guess. How does this look to you? It looks good. How does it look in the back? Nothing. But in the front, looks good. So there you have it, guys. That's the PlayStation icon light right there. I think it looks pretty good, right? As a Christmas gift, I think a lot of people will like this. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out here. Bye-bye.